Hello friends, welcome to AccuWebCloud hosting. Today we will see how to deploy a Python application on AccuWebCloud hosting. So first of all you have to look into dashboard. After then you have to select the application environment where you want to deploy the application. Here we have multiple options to deploy the application. Firstly, you can deploy from archive. Second one is you can deploy from URL, and third one is you can deploy from Git or SVN. So here we are going to deploy the project through archive, means we will go to Deployment Manager. And here you can choose Upload option to upload your project from your local system to your AccuWebCloud dashboard. So just click on Upload button. Then go to the local file and browse your local project files. So I am selecting this file. Here you can add comments so you can easily remember that. And click on Upload button. So once you click on the Upload button, the project will be uploaded to your AccuWebCloud account. And now click on Deploy option. So this project will be deployed to your application. In the Deploy window, you have to select the environment on which environment you want to deploy your project. In the Environment option, you need to select the environment where you want to deploy the application. Here, we have selected this one as an example. You can see that the deployment is successfully completed. So now what you need to do is to go to the application server and just click on Web Access option. Then go to the root folder. Here you need to type this command. And then add requirements.txt file name. So you can see that the requirement is already installed. So here I am going to run the Python project. For that you need to run this command. Your application name, then you click on it. You can see that the application is running successfully and we have hosted the Python on this IP address. Before browsing the application on the browser, you need to enable the port number in web-based firewall.
You need to add or you need to enable the support number in WebS search web firewalls.
So here I am going to enable this port on web-based firewall. So for that you have to click on Settings and then go to the firewall. And then go to the inbound rules. Here you can click on Add button. And in the name field you can type a name so you can easily remember that rules. In port range, you can enter the port which you want to open, and then click on Add button. So once you click on Add button, the port will be open in your web-based firewall. You can see that the port is open. Now you can close that window, and now just browse your application. I am going to copy this IP address and going to Browse in New tab and just typing the server IP address and port 8080. I am receiving an error. The Python process is stopped maybe, so let me check it. Yes. cd root. And again, start the Python services. So let's browse again. You can see that the Python app is successfully running and is successfully deployed on our active cloud. That's all. Thank you for watching.